In this video we're gonna be replacing brake light bulbs. This one is out. This one is working, but since this one's out, I assume this one's gonna stop working pretty soon, so I'll replace two of them. I'll start with this one. Start by taking this cover out. So what you need to do is remove this white piece, turn it in a counterclockwise direction, and now pull it out. And I'm sure you can see how burnt this bulb is. Now I'm gonna use gloves, not for this bulb, this one's bad anyway, but for a new one. To take it out, slightly push it in, and then turn counterclockwise. And it's out. The bulbs I'm using is 7506. I'm using Sylvania. I don't recommend using LED because you might have the dashboard light that says brake light or check brake light, continue on. And you won't be able to get rid of that light with LED bulb unless you use some resistors or something else. So I'd say just stick to those type of bulbs. Just make sure you use gloves when handling new bulbs. So installation, push it in and twist clockwise, and it's in. Now install it in the same socket. Push it in and then turn clockwise. And it's in. And put this cover back on. Now passenger side, remove the cover. A bit more room there. Same thing, twist it counterclockwise. Pull it out. This bulb is still working, so you could use it as a spare. Here's a new one. Push it in and then twist clockwise. And it's in. And finally, put the cover back on. Last thing we're gonna do is check brakes, make sure they're working. They are working. I'll provide Amazon affiliate links for those bulbs. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you next time.